Here's the news of the day.
REGENT's full-scale Viceroy Seaglider completes initial on-water trials, marking a milestone in electric maritime aviation with plans for human flight later this year.
JetZero joins Delta's Sustainable Skies Lab, advancing its blended wing-body aircraft with support from RTX, Pratt & Whitney, and Collins Aerospace for a 2027 demonstrator flight.
Natural Resources Canada opens funding applications for clean fuel projects, supporting SAF and renewable energy innovations to advance the country's low-carbon transition.
EHang partners with the universities of Zaragoza and Guangzhou to establish a joint laboratory for low-altitude flight safety, advancing UAM research and international collaboration.
Skyfly's AX-VCA completes wing-borne test flights, reaching 2,500 feet with stable performance, moving closer to demonstrating seamless transitions between hover and forward flight.
Boost Systems unveils its next-generation aerial wash system, enhancing efficiency for power line and wind turbine cleaning with advanced automation and minimal operator input.
Team CTI secures a U.S. Army contract to provide FAA Part 141 helicopter flight training, using the TH-66 Sage to enhance efficiency and foundational pilot skills.
Cowick Aviation founder Mike Wrightley retires after 32 years, with VP Stephen Sawyer set to lead the company, ensuring continued innovation and customer-focused solutions.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.